All right, we're at 1800 Plaza West, San Antonio.
1800 Plaza West.
Look at this. We used to have something vintage, but look at that.
Still on the original controller.
Look at that. All right.
Press on.
Come on in.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it.
All right, let's listen. Listen to the motor. You're at 4?
Wow. Switch over basement.
I think that works, that arrow.
So what is this?
I don't
This
know.
is probably a Montgomery.
Hey, look, it comes on. It works.
There you go. Yeah,
Neat elevator.
Used to be something cool.
It used to have Flushline.
What do you think, mid-70s, late 70s, 80s?
It looks so. Probably 80s.
Plop.
Bouncy. I'm going to demonstrate the bumper down here. All right, press the button. All right, watch the bumper.
There it goes.
That's what they had before.
We'll call the other one.
That is cool.
All right.